Hello there. I hope you are doing great. Nice to meet you again. My name is Muhammad Gaddafi Jibril. I'm a medical doctor in training, a passionate entrepreneur, a writer, and an aspiring life coach. If this is the first time you are meeting me, I'm glad to have you too. We are still on self-investment, and today we'll be speaking about one of the most valuable forms of self-investment, which is good health, right? Investing in our health. Now, our health is one critical aspect of our being and our journey to success. There are so many people with better ideas and better plans, but the only obstacle is good health. Now, good health increases your productivity, it boosts your energy, and then your mental clarity. So I'm going to be talking briefly and generally on three aspects of our health. First of all, our physical health. How do you maintain good physical health? We are what we consume, first and foremost. The food you consume. You have to focus on whole and unprocessed foods like vegetables and fruits. Less fats, you understand? Try as much as possible to avoid junk foods. I'm not a dietitian, so you can consult professionals to better understand what you need to consume to protect your health, to maintain good physical health. Secondly, hydration. Very, very important. Water is life. Drink a lot of water. Target at least 3 liters of water in a day. I cannot begin to mention what water does in our body. You can read more about that, right? Now, sleep. You need to target between 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day at night. Now, this will help your body to recharge and function properly. We definitely cannot conclude on physical health without talking about exercise. Try as much as possible to exercise. Engage in physical activities. Now, 30 to 45 minutes is enough 3 to 4 days in a week. Try and engage in some exercise. This is very, very important for your body. The next aspect is mental health. Good mental health. There are so many people out there who are facing mental health issues and nobody really cares. What are the ways you can actually employ to maintain good mental health? One, practicing mindfulness. Employing activities like deep breathing, meditation, yoga exercises. Now, this is to avoid stress or prevent stress and increase mental clarity. Now, secondly, try to nurture relationships, build connections around you, support systems, people you can talk to. Sometimes all you need is to talk to someone to pour out your feelings on. Do you understand? Now, thirdly, we have taking breaks. We know you want to achieve a lot of things, but you can't do all at the same time. Try to relax. Take some time out and rest so you can have more energy to continue. The last but not the least when it comes to mental health is seeking professional advice, seeking professional help, seeing a professional, a therapist, someone who is licensed to do so, someone who is professionally trained to do so. When it comes to a point where you're not getting the right help, try to see such people and you'll be very fine. We'll move on to the last part of our session for today, and that is preventive care. Regular checkups. Try as much as possible to see the doctor frequently, to visit the hospital frequently. Check how your body is faring, your organs, how are they doing. Sometimes you'll be able to detect some diseases early enough to be able to treat them, and that is one way to protect yourself. Practice good personal hygiene, keep your surroundings clean, and also stay informed so you don't catch a disease, an infection without knowing. And so that will be all for today. The most important thing you should take out of this video is that our health is one crucial aspect, is one crucial form of self-investment, and you can't do without it. I'll see you some other time. Take care of yourself. Bye.